Okay, this is a different type of question again. This time it's giving us x and z, and it says the product of x and y is equal to z. So where we've been finding x dot y, they're telling us now the answer to that is z. Now, z is a special matrix. Z is called the identity matrix. When we've got ones here and zeros here, this is the identity matrix. And the identity matrix only happens when you times a matrix by its inverse matrix. Okay, so if that's what's happening, y must be the inverse matrix of x. So it doesn't want us to do any multiplying in this question. It wants us to find the inverse of x. Okay, so we found the inverse matrix on the previous question, so we're going to do that same procedure again. Now this only works because we've got z, we've got that inverse, the identity matrix. This, you wouldn't do this every single time. So all we need to do is say that y is going to be the inverse matrix of x. And if you remember what we do, we write 1 over and get the determinant. So 1 times 5 is 5. Take away 2 times 3, which is 6. And then we swap these two numbers over and we change the signs of these two numbers. Okay, so y is going to be, and this is going to be minus 1. 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 1. 5 minus 2 minus 3, 1. And we can bring that minus 1 in. We're going to times minus 1 by each of these numbers, which will change the signs. So it's going to be minus 5, 2, 3, minus 1. And we have that here. So the answer is A.